Life or death? A choice for the man charged with killing his wife, her 3 children, more than 2 years ago. 5 witnesses briefly took the stand, and John Reagan was not one of them, choosing not to testify before the defense rested. That trial is now in its 3rd week, and 10 on your side's Ava Hurdle's in the newsroom with what's next. Ava?
Tom, a jury could begin considering the fate of John Reagan Thursday or Friday once closing arguments are completed.
32-year-old Army Sergeant Crystal Reagan was stationed at Fort Eustis. She had 3 children, 15-year-old Sierra, 11-year-old Laquan, and 6-year-old Rashid. Her husband, 38-year-old John Reagan, is charged with capital murder in the stabbing deaths of the children, first-degree murder for his wife's killing, 4 counts of unlawful stabbing, and arson for trying to burn their old Courthouse Way apartment down afterwards. Testimony indicated Crystal Reagan had taken out a protective order against her husband. She later confronted him at a gas station, but before the order was served, she and her children were found dead. Reagan was arrested days later in South Carolina. A published report says a forensic scientist testified his DNA was found under his wife's fingernails and his blood in several areas of the apartment. But on the first day of the trial, his parents had this response.
Do you believe that your son is innocent?
Yes, I do.
That day, Newport News Commonwealth's attorney Howard Gwynn disagreed. He told us this.
Well, if we didn't think we could prove it, we wouldn't be trying it.
Reagan did not testify in his own defense before his side rested its case.
Now, closing arguments are set for 10 Thursday morning. If the jury finds Reagan guilty of capital murder, it will then hear additional testimony before deciding on a life or death sentence. I'm Ava Hurdle, 10 on your side.